Hello friends and potential friends. Well, let's see, today's July 2nd, 2022, and we got some much needed rain yesterday. 2.5 inches. First time we've had any decent rain in at least a month. It was a little too late for my tomatoes. They're pretty much gone, but it's making the peppers and the sweet potatoes and the okra stand up proud. So hopefully we're entering into our wet season now, where on any given day we can expect a 50% chance of thunderstorms every afternoon. That's nice because it waters the garden, but it also increases the humidity tremendously. Right now it's about 10:30 in the morning and it's 82 degrees and the humidity is still above 90%. So I'm already sweating, to be honest with you. But I'm running low on taters. Probably saw me harvest a little bit out of one of my green stalks about a month ago, and it's time for a second harvest. Oh, hi Licorice, you want to help? So this tower here, I probably could have harvested the potatoes a week ago. I planted them in the bottom 3 tiers there. Top 3 tiers have basil in them, so I'm going to keep that going. Basically, I'm just going to take this apart, empty out those bottom 3 tiers, and see if I get another month's worth of potatoes out of them. And if I get that, I'll be happy. So let me get set up and we'll get into this. Let's see, can you see what I'm doing here? Nah, not really. Okay, got my little bucket. I won't be filling up any 5-gallon buckets like a lot of my friends are doing, but I'll get a handful hopefully. There's the first tier, and we're already finding taters. And some of them are already growing. I may have left them in there too long. Yeah, finding some worms. But I sure didn't find many potatoes in that one. That's it for the first level. Just a small handful. Yeah, let me go ahead and amend this soil and get it back in that tier, because I'm going to rebuild this thing as I go. Okay, let's see what we get out of tier 2. Here's one. Here's another one. May have to plant some of these. Pretty tiny, and they're already starting to grow. This thing is dry, even with all that rain yesterday. Oh, that was pretty pitiful. That was 2 tiers. I may not be eating many potatoes this week or this month. Okay, so let me add some amendments and get that soil put back into the tire. Okay, tier 2 is back in the tower. Got it filled up and ready to plant. Let's get into tier 3. Now this was the bottom one in the tower. We'll see if that makes any difference. This one's pretty dry too. There's seed potato. You want to help, Mamba? Not even many weeds in this, or worms in this one. But well, there we have it. That's pretty pitiful, ain't it? But that's okay. These tiny ones still taste good. I just won't be having many French fries for the next month. I got one more tower over there I'll be taking apart next month. And that's all I've got growing right now. So I'm going to finish putting this tower back together, get it ready for whatever I decide to plant in it. And I'll see you on the next video.